Hi guys, I am G Akshaya. Today I would like to present the presentation on the topic of closed kinematic chain and open kinematic chain. Introduction. The kinetic chain, sometimes called the kinematic chain, is an engineering concept used to describe human movement. It is used in a wide variety of clinical conditions including musculoskeletal, sports medicine, neurorehabilitation, etc. The concept was introduced by Franz Rolex, a mechanical engineer in 1875. He proposed that rigid overlapping segments were connected through joints, and this created a system whereby movement at one joint produced or affected movement at another joint in the kinetic. This series or chains can be closed or open. First of all, we learn open chain kinematics. Strictly defined as open kinematic chain as a combination of successively arranged joints in which the terminal segments can move freely. Thus, the distal segment of the extremity is free to move in space. For example, waving a hand, moving the foot during the swing phase of gait, or doing a seated knee extension. Let's see the characteristics of open chain exercise. Open kinetic chain exercises are typically characterized by a rotary stress pattern at the joint. For example, when doing a seated knee extension, the primary stress to the joint is the rotation of the distal tibia on the proximal femur, even though other accessory movements like rolling and translation occur. Open kinematic chain movements occur in one primary axis. During the seated knee extension exercise, the motion primarily occurs in the sagittal plane. The number of simultaneously moving segments is typically limited to one segment of the joint, that is femur, remains stationary during the knee extension exercise, while the other segment that forms the joint, that is tibia, is mobile. This adds control to the exercise because of the stability of the stationary segment, that is femur. These types of exercises allow for more isolated muscle activation because less muscle contraction is used to perform the movement. Next we learn about second one, that is closed kinematic chain. It is the system where neither the proximal or the distal segments can move. Movement at one segment in the closed chain moves at all the other joints predictably. For example, during the squat, the movement at the knee joint accompanies movement at the hip and the ankle joint. Let's see about the characteristics of closed chain exercise. Using the standing squat as an example, linear stress pattern is produced at the tibiofemoral joint due to axial joint. Movement occurs at multiple joints and multiple joint axes at the hip, knee, ankle and subtalar joints. Thank you.